KC Artist, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, initial reaction to Steve Madden Possession sneaker. I think it's called Possession. Forgive me if it's not. So to me, I feel like it's a dupe for the Balenciaga Triple S sneaker. So yeah, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and be a part of the family. And to all my subbies, thank y'all so much. We're still rocking with your girl, okay? Let me get right into this video. Y'all, I bought these sneakers a long time ago. I have a shopping problem if you're new here. I'm just now getting to it. I can't remember, but I know it was definitely last year when I bought these. It'll have a receipt probably on here, but oh, here we go. No. Well, maybe I didn't buy it last year. I don't know. I bought it January 11, 2022 of this year. Maybe. Maybe. But I'm gonna get right into the unboxing of the Steve Madden because, you know, I'm not trying to make this a long video, y'all. I'm just getting into this. See, I had this in my storage unit when I moved to South Carolina. So I'm just now getting my stuff out of storage. And forgive me for the late video. I usually upload once a week, but we've been what is it called? Remodeling our apartment, redesigning our apartment and stuff like that. So you're not gonna be seeing this couch very soon. Okay. This was upside down. Okay. Steve Madden box just comes in a regular black box. Okay. Okay, y'all, look at the color. Okay, so it comes thoroughly wrapped up, like it's wrapped up. Okay, Steve Madden. Okay, Steve of the Madden. Yo, these are nice. Yo. Okay. So if you are not really big on replicas, I'm not big on replicas, but you know what? Maybe I need to jump on that bandwagon because I feel like the girlies and the fellas that are buying replicas, I feel like y'all might be smart because these replicas that y'all getting and y'all reviewing, you cannot tell because I have the original, you know, not the replica, and I just be like, what? So maybe they're smart because they're saving coins, the coins. But anyways, if you're not really big on replicas, dupes are always a thing. I feel like dupes are way different than replicas. Replicas is if you're trying to like deceive and be like the item that you're trying to replicate. A dupe, I feel like it's more so like kind of inspired in my opinion. So I feel like the Steve Madden Possessions was inspired by the Balenciaga's Triple S. Now I want the Balenciaga's Triple S, but those run you like a stack, $1,000, $1,000. So maybe I'm gonna be waiting a little bit longer, you know what I'm saying? But in the meantime, go to Steve Madden, run to Steve Madden right now, run. Look at these. I got the tan color as y'all can see. These are giving. Oh man, wait till I style them. They are giving. Now let me see the sizing, okay? Because I bought a 8. Let me pray that it fits. Hold on. Because my feet, y'all new here. If y'all new here, my feet is so weird. I'm a woman size 8, But when it comes down to sneakers, it could go either way. It could go to a 7 to an 8.5 apparently. So let's see what Steve Madden, if it's true to size. There's room. There's definitely room. I don't really lace my sneakers so tight, so tough. I'm not a huge fan of lacing them tough, but I will say there is definitely room in size 8. Hold on. What y'all think? What y'all think, y'all? It definitely has a little bit of room in it, but it's a comfortable amount of room. These are nice, bro. Yo, sorry for my ashiness, y'all, if y'all see some ash. So, they're a little roomy, but it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly okay, especially if you wear socks. I feel like if you are a woman's, so I want to say they pretty much run true to size for your feet. So if you are typically a size 8, it is a little bit of room in my opinion. But I feel like if you're gonna wear some socks with them, these bad boys are just fine. Yeah. This is an excellent dupe. So let me tell you the details, the price of these. These will run you $100. I believe they're $99.95. So they'll run you $100. If y'all go to the website, go to Steve Madden website, there's multiple colors. They have the all black, and now I'm thinking about to get the all black. They have multicolored, they got pink. So I wanted to run me the tan. Y'all, this fall is going to be litty. This fall is going to be litty. Do you hear me? This fall is going to be litty with these. I can't believe how they, it's all right. It's all right. So it doesn't come with a receipt up in here. Has the Steve Madden logo on the side, and the Balenciagas have their logo. Balenciaga have their logo on the side as well. I think the Balenciagas, they run the size on the sneaker, I think in the back, I think, or in the front, on the toe, I can't remember. But y'all, tell me these ain't a bomb dupe. Tell me these ain't a bomb dupe. Like, run to Steve Madden right now. I'm telling you, these sneakers are the truth. And if you don't know about them, you know now, okay? They're the truth. Don't sleep on Steve Madden. If you're sleeping on Steve Madden, do not sleep. They come through with, I feel like, quality stuff. And I feel like it's quality stuff on everyday budget. Look at this. Look at the ridging. Look at the, bruh. Yeah. Let me know in the comments if you have a pair and what you think. This is, like I said, this is my initial reaction because I don't really know how well they work on my feet, if it hurts or anything like that. So I definitely would come back once I break these bad boys in and actually wear them and show a style, how I styled them, style video. But let me know in the comments if you have them and what you think, how it's working for you and your feet, okay? And let me know in the comments if you're thinking about buying them and what color. Like, go to Steve Madden and come back to this post right here and let me know what color you go get. Let me know what color is fire to you. I'm going to get the black and probably the multicolored. $100, you can't beat these. You can't beat these. Let me try both of them on for y'all. Yeah, I'm so ashy. Forgive me. Forgive me. What? Y'all, these are freaking fire. With this outfit, bruh, I have a tan long sweater. Bruh, these are fire. Say less, bruh. Say less. Say less. Yeah, say less. Cute. That's it. I'm completely sold so far for initial reaction. Yo, these are freaking cute. But anyways, so if you made it to the end of this video, you might as well subscribe and be a part of this tribe and be a part of this family. And until next time, goodbye.